So hi there guys, today is the day that we finally have the AY speakers here. So in this video today I will start with the 370. So this is the biggest one of the three. I also have like a tiny one and a middle-sized one, but I decided to make separate videos about these speakers. So this one has a similar size to the Charge 5, maybe even a little bit bigger. So yeah, let's just see what's inside. I do have to say with AY speakers that the overall build quality is decent, and especially the boxes on it are very thick, very well protecting. So let's put that aside, and then we have the speaker already. Yeah, and the design of the speaker maybe looks a little bit like a UE speaker, a little bit of a JBL flavor, and a little bit of Sony maybe. But I do hope the audio is not like Sony speakers, but then we can like really throw it away. So we have the charging cable. We have a flat auxiliary cable, that's pretty cool. And then we have a manual. So yeah, not very special things inside. So let's put the box aside. But I do think that it's a very steady box. And the specifications are like 20 watts of power, 2 speakers. It is waterproof. It has, they claim 8 hours of battery life, but a pretty big battery actually for this kind of speaker. So you can have like different buttons, you can even put an SD card in it, so that's pretty cool. And let's see on the rear, it has Bluetooth 5, 2 times 10 watt speakers. So yeah. But yeah, let's just take a look at the speaker, because yeah, that's the important thing. So as I mentioned before, it's a pretty big boy actually. It's not like very big or very small. The funny thing is that we like put here on wireless party speaker made in China. The model 370, yeah, and an I before it. So yeah, I do think that the back looks pretty cool. Very futuristic buttons. You can hook it up. Here you have a passive radiator, also on the underside. So I'm curious if there's like 2 drivers here and 2 drivers here, or like one here with passive radiators. You have the volume buttons. Let's power it on. If it has some juice. It has some juice. So you have here some lights, dynamic LEDs they call it. And also on the underside, you can also put like this, because of this hook, you can get it steady, but it's of course meant to put like this. I will connect it with my phone, and then I will let you guys know what I think about the overall audio quality. So after doing some audio testing, I think it's okay sound, really. But for the size it could be of course more bass, more powerful and so on. But if you like would make a comparison of this audio, I would say it is between this one and the Artisan. But this is also something weird because it is bigger. But because of those lights probably, and also some extra cost on the overall build quality, because I do have to say it looks pretty cool. Especially with those LEDs, it looks a little bit cooler than those two, even though this one also has some LEDs. It just lacks in bass response. It can go alright in loudness. It's not loud, but it's louder than this one. And the speakers are on the side, so it is a little bit of a 360 kind of sound. So pretty cool. Overall, it's okay speaker. If you can find it for around 50 bucks, if it's on discount, it will be a good deal.